Let's all say it together. W equals mg. Okay, good. So you haven't forgotten. Okay, W boat equals M boat times G, and that means that M boat is just equal to W boat divided by G. And this is 35,600 newtons divided by 9.8 meters per second squared, which gives 3,600 kilograms. Okay. Now in part B, we want to know what is the weight of the water that the boat would displace if floating in salty water with a higher density of 1,100 kilograms per meter cubed. You have exactly 30 seconds to figure out what this is. Up, you weren't supposed to say anything. Oh, that's all right. I guess, yeah, you're right. It's the same answer, okay? The boat always displaces its own weight in fluid, okay? So if it displaces 35.6 kilonewtons of fluid in fresh water, it displaces 35.6 kilonewtons of salt water. It doesn't matter. Okay, so since the floating boat always displaces its own weight in fluid, we know that it displaces 35.6 kilonewtons of salt water as well. What if it were floating in a really huge tub of liquid mercury? What weight of mercury would it displace?
The same fucking weight, dude.
Yes. You're awfully quiet this morning. Yes, it is 35.6 kilonewtons of liquid mercury. Part C is, I'm not even sure why I put that in there. It's not really relevant, I don't think. But anyway, if we calculated the volume of fresh water displaced and the volume of salt water displaced, which would be larger? The volume of fresh water displaced or the amount of salt water displaced? Yeah, well, fresh water has the lower density, right? And so in order to have the same weight as this denser salt water, it's going to have greater volume. So if the boat displaces a greater volume of fresh water than salt water, it's going to be more deeply submerged in the fresh water. In the salt water, it's going to be riding a bit higher, I guess. The surface of the water isn't going to be as high on the side of the boat. That's why they say that in the Dead Sea, which is incredibly salty, you float really easily. You float really high up. You're in no danger of sinking because such a much smaller volume of or fraction of your total body volume is submerged.
Yeah.
So anyways, that's all we have time for.